You'll just have to taste me when he's kissing you. Welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm doing the US Top 40. I'm teaching every song, have been, and it's number 24 now, Taste by Sabrina Carpenter. Now this one surprised me actually because it's more difficult than it sounds or than it seems. And there's quite a few chords in it. It's not like these other boring 4-chord songs. It's not like that. There's more going on. So the chords you need are A flat, B flat, E flat, C minor, G. Quite a few. The intro, well, not the intro, the first verse. Oh, I leave quite an impression. That's A flat. Leave quite an impression. 5 feet to be exact, up to B flat. You're wondering why half his clothes went missing. My body's where it's at. Out of key singing, sorry. My body's where it's at. Not sure about the melody actually now. But B flat, now I'm gone, but you're still crying. Sorry. Now I'm gone, but you're still laying. Let's do that again. B flat first. Now I'm gone, but C minor, you're still laying. And then E flat next to me. Then it secretly, sneakily, quickly goes to G. 1 degree of separation. There's a semitone move there, which is the unusual part of the song, really. So now I'm gone, but you're still laying. E flat next to me, 1 degree of separation. G to A flat. It's a bit subtle, that G, so you might not want to play it too loud. And then up to your tonic there, your A flat. Well, tonic actually B flat, because the song's in B flat. I heard you're back together, and if that's true, down to A flat, B flat. You'll just have to taste me when he's kissing you, B flat again. If you want forever, I bet you do, B flat. I just know you'll taste me too, and then verse. Okay. He pins you down on the carpet, makes paintings with his tongue, and then he's funny, C minor. Now he's all jokes, hits different. Guess who we learned that from? B flat. Now I'm gone, but you're still laying. And then next to me, 1 G, degree of separation. Then we go to B flat. I heard you're back together, and if that's true, you just have to taste me when he's kissing you. B flat, E flat, A flat, C minor. The bass notes, always the bass notes, because I'm looking over here. If you want forever, I bet you do, B flat. Just know you'll have to taste me too. Ew, it's actually quite a gross song, isn't it? Think about it. And then B flat, C minor, A flat, B flat, E flat, A flat, C minor. La 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 la, that's the la la la's. And then every time you close your eyes and feel his lips, you're feeling mine. Ew, B flat. And every time you breathe his air, just know I was already there. B flat. You can have him if you like, C minor. I've been there, done that once or twice. A flat, B flat, and singing about it don't mean I care. Yeah, I know. I've been known to share. Ew. C minor, and then B flat. Well, I heard you're back together, C minor, and if that's true, B flat. You just have to taste me when he's kissing you. If you want forever, I bet you do. Just know, taste me too. Taste me, no thank you. A flat, C minor, A flat, B flat, C minor, A flat, 2. You'll just have to taste me when he's kissing you, you know, yeah. Ah, ha, 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 B flat. You'll just have to taste me when he's kissing you. Thanks for watching Between the Keys. That was another one very quickly. It's Sabrina Carpenter's Taste. I think it's okay. It's kind of gross. I'll take it back. I don't like it. It's not for me. It's not what I want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. It's not that. It's something else. Maybe the next one. Number 25 is going to be Stargazing by Miles Smith. Don't think I've ever heard it. Once again, because they're all new to me. I don't really listen to the charts. I only really knew the first couple. Please, 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 and Espresso, and $1 Million Baby, and Too Sweet. They're all already on the channel. If you like those songs, go check them out. After that, it gets a bit hazy, because I didn't really... Oh, Die With A Smile as well. That's a good one. That's only number 17 though. Just did that one recently as well. But yeah, next up, Stargazing. Just going to check it out now. Thanks for watching Between the Keys. Give the video a like and a subscribe if you liked it and you want to see more. Put your comments there if you want any requests, any songs you want me to teach, you want to learn, I will do. And then I think that's about it. Just see you in the next one. Ka-chow.